My idea with this series, as well as this channel, is to document the various games I'm developing from start to finish. One of my current projects, Kickstand, is a game I've really been enjoying working on lately. I want to document everything I've done, though I don't really want to start everything again just to record. So here's a bit of information on the concept of the game, and everything I've done up until this point to get you caught up. Kickstand is a side-scroller shooter zombie game. It wasn't always that way, however. When I first began the project, the first thing I made was the sky in the background, and then the buildings you see in front. After that, I added the houses and other details in the foreground, like the fences, sidewalk, road, and bushes, and even a lighting engine for the street lamps. I then added scripts to make everything move to the left dynamically. Next, I started working on the actual gameplay. I added in the bike and its movement scripts. I made it so that it could move up, onto the sidewalk, down onto the road, and left and right in both of those places. After that, I created a main menu for the game. Then I started working on enemies and weapons to attack them with. Initially, I had the main enemy as being law enforcement, police cars specifically. However, I opted to change that in the end because I didn't really like the idea of the good guys being the people you'd attack. My indecision was to make the main enemies zombies, and have the whole game set in a post-apocalyptic world. At this point, I thought a bicycle might not be practical, even if it was just a video game character, so I made some artwork and changed it into a motorcycle. Next, I started working more on the specifics of the weapons. I added the dynamic cursor that you see get bigger and smaller to represent the accuracy of the gun you're currently using. I also created artwork and scripts for 2 more guns, which I added into the upgrades menu I previously mentioned. I then worked for a bit on improving the zombie AI.
And that's it. That brings us up to date.
In future videos on this channel, I'll be covering one new major feature added to a game per episode. I probably won't be using this format again, unless I start work on an older project again.
Either way, thank you for watching.